last class we have learned about the even number and the odd numbers. What is an even number means? The number is exactly divisible by 2. Odd number means it is not divisible by 2. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 are all even numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 like that, that is an odd number. So today we are going to start the new chapter, lesson number 9, that is subtraction. Subtractions means what? Taking away the number. Whatever the number is given, how much they are given to take away, we must take away. Or this is the symbol of minus. Okay, we will tell what that is minus. That is 5 minus 4. Okay, in this you can do by counting in the fingers and taking away the close the fingers like that. Also you can do the subtractions minus, and by stroke also we can do. Okay children, so today we are going to study the lesson subtractions. Okay, subtractions means taking away the number. So coming to page number 56 in your textbook, children, subtract and write in the box they are given. So you already familiar with C, subtract. Subtract and write in the box. See, T means what? Tens. O means ones. So 8 minus 2. Okay. 8 minus 2. So I told 8 on the finger, close to 1, 2. Remaining is how much children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2 is 6. 8 minus 7. So by drawing the stroke, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much you have to take away? This is the symbol of minus, subtractions. Okay, 8 minus 7. 7 you have to scratch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Remaining is how much children? 1. Okay. So this is what? 6 minus 3. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4 minus 2. 4. Take away the 2. So stroke 1, 2, 3, 4. Scratch how much? 2. 1, 2. Remaining 1, 2. How many strokes you have to draw? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much you have to take away? 3. 1, 2, 3. Remaining 1, 2. 8 minus 5. So how many strokes? 8 strokes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How much you have to take away? 5. Scratch 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remaining 1, 2, 3. How many strokes children? 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much you have to take away? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Remaining 1, 2, 3. Okay children. Subtractions means taking away the number. See, in page number 57, subtractions by untying a 10. So for example, I will give children here 26 is there. Here how many tens and how many units is there? 2 tens, 2 tens and 6 units is there. Okay. 2 tens and 6 units is there. See, subtraction by untying a 10. Okay. Untying a 10. See here 2 tens and 6 units is there. So untie this to the units. Okay, here. How many tens is there? 1 tens. Okay. 1 tens and untying to this. How much? If you take 110 and put here is how much? 16 units. Okay. See, they given 26. 20 in 26, how many tens and how many units is there? Means 2 tens and 6 units. Okay. 2 tens and 6 units. So untying subtractions by untying a 10. So you put here 2 tens because they are asking 26 minus 10. Think of that. 6. Okay. 2 minus 1 is what? 16 units is there. Okay. Untying a 10 is, so here 110 and 16 units are there. If they given 28. Okay. 28 means 2 tens and 8 units. Okay children. And that is untying a 110. Okay. Remaining is what? 110 and 18 units. Okay. If they give 45. So what there? 4 tens and 5 units. 4 tens and 5 units. So untying a 10 means if you take 110 to there, see how much is remain. From 4 you take 110 is how much remains? 3 tens and 15 units. Okay. So coming to page number 58 in your textbook children. Coming page number 58 in your textbook. See, activity 2. Subtract the following. Count backwards from 25. You have to come backward counting from 25 children. See here. Subtract activity 2. Count backwards, okay? So 25 minus 6, count backwards from the 25. Okay, that is equal to how much we should write here. So 25 minus backward counting how much from 25 you have to come back. See 25. Next what? Backward. 25 next is 24, 23, 22, 21. 20, 19. See how much? From 25 you have to minus how much? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much children? 25 minus 6 is how much? 19. Okay children? 19. Next is 42 minus 5. Second sum. 42 minus 5. You have to count backward. Okay? 42. From 42 you have to count backward how much? 5. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 you count. Okay. 42 backward is 41. 40. Okay. Next. 40 next is 39. Next is 38. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what? 37. See. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 42 minus 5 is how much children? 37. Okay. How much? 37. So another one is backward count third sum. 93 minus 6 is equal to how much? So you know that 93 minus 6 how much you have to come for the backward. So I will take the number from 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Okay, from 93 I want to come back how many space? 6 space. See, from 93, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much? 93 minus 6 is how much children? 87. Okay, fourth one. 40 minus 3. 40 minus 3 is how much? So 40 is there. I'll take from 31. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So how many space I want to come back? 3 space from 40. Okay, here 40 is there. Come backward counting 3. 1, 2, 3. How much? 37. Okay, children. So you can do the subtractions by count backward the number. Okay. Now coming to activity 3. Okay, children. Activity 3. Coming to page number 59 in your textbook. Activity 3. Okay. See what is there? Subtract the following on number line. You have to subtract the following on the number line. On number line. Okay. Okay. First is what they given. 26 minus 4. 26 minus 4. So they draw the line here. They given the numbers. See 26 minus 4. So from 26 you can come backward or see here. So you can start from 20 only. Okay. See 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30 I written. Okay, from 20 to 30 I written. What is the start? From 26 minus 4. So where is 26? 26 is here. How much you have to minus? 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. How much it is kept? 22. Okay, 22. Next, 39 minus 8. Second sum, 39 minus 8 is how much, children? 39 minus 8 means you can write the number 30 to 39. Okay. See number 9, they are given like this. Here 39, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Okay children, 39. How much you have to minus? 8 you should minus. So come from 39 backward 8's place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, how much is there? 31. Okay children. So now coming to page number 60, children, in your textbook. 66 minus 5. 66 minus 5 is how much? So you can take the number from 60 only. Okay. See. 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. Okay. 66, how much you have to come back? 5 space. See, from 66 come 5 space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How much children? 61. Okay children. Now next class I will continue subtraction on the abacus and 2 digits of subtractions and word problems. Next class we can study children. Today I will learn to subtract the numbers and untying a 10 and subtract the following on the number line. Thank you children.